Hello friends, Namaskar dosto, very warm welcome to another episode of discussion with SD, and the topic is risk rising rapidly. Truly market में मैं देख रहा हूँ risk बहुत ही rapidly rise हो रहा है, especially in the equity market as I speak. Majority are interested in the equity market. We like to remain invested. That's a growth engine for the economy, but it is showing stress. And when it shows stress, friends, it is best to be cautious. And ये cautious होने का मतलब reducing risk exposure. There is nothing to worry, by the way, because I'm here to guide you. But before I start doing that, let me take you to a quick visit to my website. And this is the website where we will be able to find the Sunday stock storm that is free to join. The recording remains free for 3 days and then it moved to YouTube Premium. But the Sunday stock storm you should join regular basis. You will gain a lot. So this particular one I wanted to highlight. So 7th is the day and the topic will be position management after pattern. In the last two videos we discussed about common pattern but uncommon profits. Now the position management after the pattern. Now let's get back to the topic on hand, friends. I wanted to warn you largely and in through these videos, those who regularly watch it. I have long been saying that we are in a recessionary cycle. एंड ये साइकिल में मेरा फोकस ये है कि जब भी मैं देखूंगा मार्केट में रिस्क लेवल बढ़ रहा है, आई कैन reduce the size of the table. Let's make it auto. छोटा हो जाएगा थोड़ा, कोई बात नहीं. I'll tell you, you'll be able to see the color anyway. So overall, it is the risk in the more rising mode. आप अगर daily chart, I like to highlight. Look at the Dow structure. It is a bearish structure. May come back in future. May go consolidation, but it is not bullish in the daily chart. The risk has significantly gone. ये वार्निंग पहले से आ रहा था. आई हैव बीन वार्निंग दैट द रिस्क हैज बीन राइजिंग. आप बैक रिप्ले करके देख सकते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड द टॉप इट हैज बीन वार्निंग. 2 hourly chart has been very bearish. Overall risk level remains significantly high. But एक पॉजिटिव चीज तो मैं बोलूंगा कि ओवरऑल एसेट क्लास इक्विटी के ऊपर जैसा फ्लैश रेड था, it has significantly calmed down. It was full red, now it is majority yellow and one red. Calm full means it will turn, all the meter will turn green. One thing I have highlighted that we are in a recessionary cycle. If I look at the asset master, friends, first of all, it is very clear that Nifty in 2-hour chart, it is bearish. And even in the daily chart now, we got a sell signal in the Nifty 500. Not always sell signal will be successful, but usually some drop definitely comes like last time. And it is at least a time to be extra cautious. So stocks also आप देख रहे हैं कैसे sharp sell off हो रहा है. In small cap we got sell signal, in mid cap we got sell signal, and time is right now not at all healthy. Now I would like to point out that it's not fully spread, like Nifty does not have the sell signal in the daily chart yet, but can start to have soon. But internal for stocks, small cap, Nifty 500, everywhere I can see the sell signal. And as it is a recessionary cycle, I will say, friends, it will be best to remain cautious and reduce your quantity, will be able to enter again. However, जो लोग सोचते हैं कि और रियली बहुत लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टेड है, आई डोंट नो, यू शुड मेक इट, मे पॉसिबली टेक a different approach. But one thing बोलूंगा कि recession and these downturns have happened throughout history for the last 100 years, so they can happen again. And during this crash phase, the sell-off in index can reach from 25 to 50, even I think 90% in 2001. So there are varied range of record on this. And one thing, during these cycles, stocks significantly go down. So I will urge you to remain cautious and play more safely on these rising risks. While up, you will not be able to do too much into equity cash. There are other options like commodity derivatives, which is not bad to do. We did crude oil yesterday pretty well. Gold, silver did not earn. Still, that yesterday I'll say it was a live marathon tha. It was earnings on the lower side. Crude हम लोग उसमें भी bullish थे when before the Iran-Israel tension and crude oil moving up. And this is overall with crude rising, tension flaring, it is really overall geopolitically also good time to be cautious. Maybe deal will be reached, Iran-US deal. Also possible India-US trade deal will be done. Two more reason to which can boost optimism in the market. But really, friends, not a great time, right? We had a great rally. If you have missed it, maybe it was a bad, but we had a good one. Let me change the setup to the fountain of gold, the mother setup. Or last rally, 12th of May, it continued for some time, almost a month. Overall, it is time to be slight cautious. Let the buy signal come back in the daily chart and we'll be able to proceed. In the weekly chart, I can see slight correction, so it is not overly bearish stocks, but it is definitely time to be cautious. And if it turns out to be no, this is not the recessionary once again start sell off like the, if this is recessionary cycle phase 2, we already have the top. And if it is no further decline, because there is a strong support base and it is a regular correction, then we will get buy support opportunity. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are not getting stocks at all in this environment. Yes, we are. I have also bought certain new stocks. I have been buying at the double bottom. We'll be able to see. Let's look at. First of all, you should not trade listening to others. That's the easiest way to lose all your money. But this gave a double bottom re-entry. Swiggy, जो लोग मेरे साथ क्लास करते हैं, you know I've been focusing on Swiggy from this break. ये जो blue करके point marked है, from this break around. So Swiggy is currently at a resistance, so I'll expect more correction and consolidation before further break. If any happens, we can't predict these things. I don't base my trading on predictions. I look at the market, look at the situation, assess it, find out if the deal is worth the value, what is the risk point of risk, etc., and then take a decision. Like yesterday's class, जो मैं लिया था FOMC live marathon, I have step by step explained my trading thought process on trade gold, which did not work, on crude oil, which did work. So friends, let's call it this. I hope आप ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा है. So once again I would like to highlight this, and इसके साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा सेक्टर का चार्ट भी दिखाना चाहूंगा ताकि आप लोग देख पाए what is going on in the sectors. We have a sell signal in the auto segment. The auto is trying to come back. Let's look at energy. मतलब important जो segment देख रहे हैं ये देखिए, significant sell off and sell signal. IT, I'll say it's still strong, but how about metals? Are metals good? No. How about pharma? Pharma initially showed strength, but later part did not work. See sell signal. Let's get to PSU banks. Significant sell signal, friends. Private banks still holding up, I'll say, still holding up, consolidating. Some banks are strong, they may give a good comeback, but it is really not looking that healthy right now for stocks. But also इसको risk की तरह मत सोचिए, सोचिए opportunity. अगर गिरेगा, then you will get a bargain. If this is not a recession sell-off, there will be a buy support. If it's a recession sell-off, you are out and we will get a very cheap level, bargain hunting. So I think it is best right now कि हम लोग patience दिखाए stocks में, come it out, बाद में you will get a better deals, और अभी भी जो trade deals better लग रहे हैं उसी में focus करेंगे. So this should be the overall approach, I think, towards the stocks. Thank you friends for watching my video. All the best to you from my side, and as always, happy trading.